The Nilfisk SC401 is a highly maneuverable walk-behind scrubber dryer that is perfect for cleaning in narrow spaces. With a compact yet productive design, the machine can keep you continuously running for up to 4 hours on one battery charge. Simply push the OneTouch button and start cleaning. The detergent mixing system gives the option of cleaning with water alone and only using extra detergent when really needed. This helps saving the environment, but also your total cost of cleaning. The Nilfisk SC401 is equipped with an extremely quiet vac system that keeps noise levels down to 60 dBA, making the machine ideal for daytime cleaning and use in noise-sensitive areas. The simple display with only 3 buttons makes the machine easy to use with only a minimum of operator training. Also, the daily maintenance is quick and easy, and with our patented elastic strap system, the cleaning of the squeegee is a simple job. The Nilfisk SC401 keeps you productive while leaving behind a perfectly clean, dry, and safe floor.